Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing our guest check-in for Royal Caribbean Cruise Line. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the Royal Caribbean website, which is royalcaribbean.com, and you're going to go to the three lines on the top left corner. Quick little side note that if you do not have an account with Royal Caribbean, go ahead and create an account because it will help you on later on in the video. So once you click on those three little lines, you're going to have 5 different options. You're going to have plan a cruise, see experience, discover cruising, already booked, and log in. You're going to click log in. Once you have logged in, you're going to have your reservation number and your guest ID, which we have blurred out for privacy purposes. You're going to go ahead and click start check-in if you are just now checking in. If you have already checked in and want to go back into your account to see the different drink packages that they offer, you're going to go ahead and click Cruise Planner, and I will show you how to look at those drink packages and how to purchase those drink packages later on in the video. So once you click Start Check-in, the first thing that's going to pop up is a security photo. So this is something that you can go ahead and upload if you'd like. It's not mandatory to upload a picture right now. You can always take a picture once you get to the port and once you're checking in there. Please do note that if you decide to take a picture once you get to the port, that it is going to take you just a bit longer to check in. So we do highly encourage you to upload a photo right now as you're checking in, but again, it is not mandatory to do so. Once you do get past that security photo section, the next page is going to pop up and it's going to ask you your country of birth, your country of citizenship, and document type that you're going to be presenting once you get to the ports that you're going to get off at, as well as when you're checking in before you board the ship. Once you have gone ahead and filled that in, you're just going to continue, and the next page that's going to pop up is going to be your contact information. So it's just going to ask you for your email and phone number, as well as an emergency contact. Please do note that emergency contacts cannot be on the ship with you. It must be someone that is on land and that Royal Caribbean can contact if something does happen. Once you're done with that, the next page is going to pop up and it's going to be your expenses. So it's going to ask you how you would like to pay for your onboard expenses. So it's going to give you the option of credit card, cash, or no charging privileges, and you can just go ahead and click whichever one you decide on and go ahead and continue. Once you're done with that, the next thing that's going to pop up is going to be your cruise ticket contract. You can go ahead and read it and look over it, and once you're done with that, you're just going to click the little checkbox that says that you have acknowledged and have read the cruise ticket contract. Once you have gone ahead and finished that, the next page that's going to pop up is going to be your arrival time information. So you're just going to go ahead and click on the box or time frame that shows the time that you plan to arrive, and then you're just going to go ahead and continue on. Once you have decided on an arrival time, the next page that's going to pop up is a finishing page where you can view your set sail pass as well as your luggage tags and go ahead and print those out. You do not have to print out your set sail pass or your luggage tags right away, but please note that Royal Caribbean does have a shutdown date for when online check-in can be done. Once that shutdown happens, it will no longer allow you to print out your luggage tag and set sail pass. So what you'd have to do then at that point is just get it when you go ahead and check in at that port of the day that you set sail. If you do decide to go ahead and print out your set sail pass as well as your luggage tags, you may get an error message letting you know that you are checked in but that your luggage tags are currently not available to print. So you can just go ahead and check in later. They're probably just still processing your information. So you can just go ahead and click OK and you're all set. Alright guys, that is all I have for you today as far as checking in with Royal Caribbean online. If you have any questions, you can always message us on Facebook or on any other social media platforms.